Splash Mountain is a popular log flume ride found in Disneyland Park at Disneyland Resort in California, as well as in the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World Resort in Florida and Tokyo Disneyland. It is known for its thrilling drops, animatronic characters, and catchy songs. While the ride itself is not inherently secretive, there are a few interesting facts and hidden details associated with Splash Mountain. Here are some secrets of Splash Mountain at Disneyland. Inspired by Song of the South, Splash Mountain is based on the 1946 Disney film, Song of the South, which features the character of Brer Rabbit. The movie is controversial due to its portrayal of African American characters, which is why Disney has chosen not to re-release it or make it available on its streaming platforms. However, the characters and stories from the film were used to create the ride's narrative. Original concept. The initial idea for Splash Mountain actually began as a concept for a restaurant called Zip-A-Dee River Run. The restaurant concept was later transformed into a water-based attraction, which eventually became Splash Mountain. Rarely seen characters. Throughout the ride, there are various animatronic characters from the Song of the South film. However, some characters are more elusive than others. For example, Brer Frog, who sings "Everybody's Got a Laughing Place," can only be seen by riders who are sitting in the front row of the log. Hidden Mickeys. Like many Disney attractions, Splash Mountain features several hidden Mickeys, which are hidden representations of Mickey Mouse's iconic silhouette. Keep an eye out for them throughout the ride. Visual storytelling. The scenes in Splash Mountain follow the story of Brer Rabbit as he leaves his home in search of his laughing place. As you journey through the ride, you can follow Brer Rabbit's adventures through the detailed scenes and animatronics. Song-filled journey. One of the most memorable aspects of Splash Mountain is its catchy soundtrack. The ride features classic songs from the film, including Zip-A-Dee-Doo-Dah and How Do You Do, which add to the immersive experience. Walt Disney Imagineering. Splash Mountain was created by Walt Disney Imagineering, the creative division of the Walt Disney Company responsible for designing and building Disney theme parks worldwide. The team worked diligently to bring the world of Song of the South to life in this exciting attraction. While Splash Mountain is enjoyed by many visitors, it is important to note the ongoing discussions and debates surrounding the cultural context of Song of the South. Disney has announced plans to retheme the Splash Mountain attractions at Disneyland Resort and Walt Disney World Resort to feature characters from The Princess and the Frog. Currently both Splash Mountains have closed for retheming, an animated film with a more positive and inclusive representation of diverse cultures. The reimagined versions of Splash Mountain are expected to debut in the future.
Be strong.